on the street. It is the last day of Songkran, Pattaya City. Yeah, should be a good one. It's Friday. Got street smoothies here, dude. I'm getting myself a coconut shake. Oh, and even got fries. People selling everything. Everything you want. I got a coconut shake. Very good. It's a brain freeze waiting to happen on a hot day like this. Beer for sale everywhere. Coconut shakes, fried chicken, meat on a stick, all of it. This guy's got weird t-shirts. Everything. So the police are walking around with plastic bags over their guns, totally soaked with the smears on their face. You got some type of photo sesh going on over here. They're just nailing her. Okay, I got a brand new weapon. It's a little bit smaller this time. I gotta figure out how to poke a hole in the top of it. I need a skewer. I found a skewer on the ground, poked a hole in my water bottle. Now I have a tool. A tool. Soy 7, let's check it out. cold, right? Oh, cold, good. Right in the mouth, right in the mouth. Happy Songkran you. Yeah. Hello, hello. Hello. Oh, wow, thank you. Kapunka. So good. Happy Songkran you. Ghostface killer up in there. Okay, okay. Yeah. Huge blocks of ice in each one of their water bins. That's professional. Whee. Oh. Okay, okay. Yeah. Whee. You get wet. Look at her, she's hiding.
You go Chiang Mai before?
Only like one day. Just go through Chiang Mai to Pai. She gets wet. So hungry, her. Look at her go.
Oh, everything crossed.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my god, very hungry.
Wow.
Very long.
Crazy girl.
Yeah. They say you're very crazy.
Yeah, yeah. Good, good. Woo. Woo.
You tell him! You tell him!
Oh, yeah. Oh, don't let the moo get wet. Oh, wet. That guy. She's getting douched. Wow, good one, boy. Woo. Hello.
Happy New Year!
Oh, Happy New Year, you.
Yeah. Oh! Very cold!
Woo.
Okay, welcome to Songkran นะคะ
Thank you, thank you.
Happy New Year Thailand
Happy New Year to you. Oh, wow. Woo.
แค่พูดนะอย่าซีดนะ
Woo.
I happy food
Okay.
โอ้ย
Woo. Free food inside. I go. I don't even know what this is, but I'm gonna try it. I still don't know what it is. There's like sausage wrapped in noodle and deep fried, maybe. Aloy mak.
อ๋อเห็นตั้งมาโอ้ลูกปุ๊กเย็น
Wow, big one. Big one. Oh, the neck and everything. Wow. Woo. Woo. Wow. There you go. Woo. Oh wow, that girl just offered me a. I told her I'd come back. to old as balls and white, crusty, sitting there staring at nothing. Hell yeah.
Where you go?
No, where you go?
I go motorbike.
Oh, motorbike, where?
Yeah.
Here?
Yes, I put here.
Oh, okay.
Tomorrow start working.
Oh, working. Oh, work.
Soy boomerang.
Soy boomerang.
Pink bar.
Ping bar?
Yes.
Server or dancing?
Dancing.
Oh, wow. What's your name?
I name Apple. Why you come here?
I was looking for a place to pee.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. But then you started squirting me in the back of the head, so I was like, no, sorry. Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes, happy Songkran.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah. Thank you. Woo! Seriously, the last 10 minutes. Yeah, I don't know. Dude, I'm so wet. And it's so fucking cold in 7-Eleven, I can't even go in there. I gotta find some more of that cold and reload, dude. Cold.
How I can look video? How I can look
YouTube. YouTube.
What YouTube?
You not remember? Superhighway.
Superhighway.
Yeah. Thank you. Hello. Oh, very good. Ooh, they got the cold. Oh, kapung kap. Woo. Cold. Yes.
Happy Songkran.
Oh, happy Songkran you. Ooh, you got the cold. What you say?
Would you like some beer?
I would. Wait and get her back though. Yeah. Oh yeah? You're not sorry, you're not sorry.